Macy, Macy, your tail feels lacy, hanging out with Cloudy, sleeping on the couch. Don't be so pouty, don't be such a grouch. Macy, Macy, your tail feels lacy, hiding in the shadows, lurking in a crack. Macy, I'm calling you, so please come back. Macy, Macy, your tail feels lacy, climbing up trees, your coat is so black, listening to the breeze. Hey, you came back. Macy, Macy, your tail feels lacy. Daisy, Daisy, you are very lazy, sleeping in bathtubs, pigging out on food, hiding in tall shrubs. How could you be so rude? Daisy, Daisy, you are very crazy, eating off the floor, being mean to Bear, always wanting more, and scratching up the floor. Daisy, Daisy, you are lazy and crazy. Dolliver, 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 Dolliver. Look at Oliver, he's not dumb, he's way smarter than your thumb. Dolliver, 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 Dolliver. With his bright orange coat and his poofy tail, he'll exceed the speed of any snail. Dolliver, 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 Dolliver. Here comes Ollie, hear him roar, he's just like a dinosaur. Dolliver, 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 Dolliver. Jack-attack, jack-attack, jack-attack. Here is Jack with his bling, lick him attack while we sing. Jack-attack, jack-attack, jack-attack. Fly, birdie, fly before you're red, and please don't cry when you're dead. Jack-attack, jack-attack, jack-attack. Oh, he's got you, that giant teddy bear. Look out behind you, 'cause he'll be there. Jack-attack, 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 jack-attack. Watch your